Well, babe gonna kill me.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I just roll out of bed. It's Monday, so happy Monday, and I'm about to jump in and get a quick workout in to kickstart my day. So make sure you guys get your workout in. Join in with me, get your workout done. It does really matter how small it is. I won't be running this morning, so I'm going to skip and get some abs in. Hope I have like an hour to spare before I really need to get going, so I'm just going to use this time and jump into some workout to kind of get me into the right frame of mind, shake off this mood that I'm in, and just get my day going. So let's get this workout started. All right. Workout is donezo and I'm feeling good. Whew. Am I the only one who dance and act a fool when I'm working out? You're still burning calories, the vibes is right, and you just feel so darn good. I just can't stress it enough how good I feel when I work out, especially when these bad boys cover my ears. All right, so while working out damn, my voice. While working out, of course, I was multitasking and making Tyler's porridge same time. So now that his porridge is cool, workout is done, I am heading off to feed him. And that's his porridge this morning. Oats, of course. I'm sure he'll be excited when he sees his porridge right now. This kid is getting so big. His part is all done. Donezo. Man, I'm so tired. Jeez. But it's okay. It's all worth it. Hi guys, so right now I am making lunch slash dinner for babe. I need to eat before I go, and so babe can have lunch when he gets home. And so babe can have dinner when he gets home. And I am about to go feed Tyler lunch because it's Tyler lunch time, and put him down for a nap. And I'm putting him down for a nap. I have to drop him at babe office today, so I need to hurry and do what I have to do. I am going to grab on this food real quick so I can eat and get ready. Hopefully I'll get ready by the time he wakes up, that way I can catch the bus in time, because I have to drop him at Babe's office today because Babe have some paper he want to finish up, so I have to drop him before I head off to work. So yeah, stay busy all day every day.
Hi guys, what the day has been. So Babe came about 3:30 to bring me Tyler to work. So I stay at work about until 5:30, 6, longer than expected. Since I just went to get a gift for Tyler, because it's soon gonna be Tyler's birthday, and Tyler is here. Hello. Tyler is hungry. He's hungry because actually it's after almost 7:30, and I still didn't reach home. So I'm gonna reach home in a minute. I won't have time to feed him. Normally should eat about 7, but well, Babe gonna kill me. Tyler was nice. He didn't cry me at all. He's kind of social guy. Every time he come at work, he's going with all of the girls there and having fun and walking everywhere, and yeah. Alright, so Tyler looks hungry. I'm not gonna make him wait longer.
Come.
Tyler, you brushing mama teeth?
You just want to eat the toothpaste. Say bye-bye. Blow them kisses. Mwah. Good night. You guys, I'm home just in time to put Tyler down for his for the night, and my voice is gone from last night's screaming disappointment, and it's slowly leaving completely. You can hear my voice sound like a bass drum. It sounds terrible. Anyway, I'm gonna put Tyler down for the night real quick.
Hi guys, what you doing beside my teddy bear? I was about to end the vlog with the teddy bear. Hi guys, so this is the end of the day. You didn't see Babe reaction, but a Jamaican won the gold medal, so but she didn't cry. She can't cry. She don't cry. She's talking like this. She have a voice extension.
You guys, my voice is gone.
she look like a cartoon voice when you have a like a tall big guy who don't have voice.
I screamed last night when Elaine lost, and my voice just gone ever since that.
Alright, so unfortunately you won't have any Jamaican expression because she can't give any Jamaican expression.
Sorry.
So yeah, today have been a good day. That was the second time that I keep Tyler and no crying, nothing this time. It was just quiet as it can be. So yeah, that was a good experience. Was very busy with him, so hopefully
as quiet as a mouse.
As quiet as a mouse.
You're very quiet, no noise.
Oh, so that's the Jamaican expression?
Yeah.
As quiet as a mouse?
Right.
Okay. Yeah man, as quiet as a mouse. Yeah, so now I'm just looking forward for the next day to spend some time with Tyler. I guess I wish you had a good day with us. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Comment down below. You turn on the notification bell. Is what?
catch up. Ooh, catch up like ketchup. Catch up and keep up.
French word expression.
Piscine.
Okay.
Say it.
Piscine.
Right, so she said piscine. Piscine easy, no R, nothing. Yeah, it's pool because yesterday we went to the pool, so that's the French word for today. Piscine. Alright, so if you have done everything we just said, the thumbs up, the zoop, it's time to I lost myself. Keep up and we see you guys tomorrow. Bye.